all around us are these beautiful plants and trees that the Most High put here as for our food and for medicine. So I am an herbalist in addition to many other things, but my one of my beloveds is ill, and so I gathered up some herbal tonics that I made. So I just want to share with you. We have pine honey, we have a birch and chickweed and olive leaf tonic. We have fire goddess here, which is a lovely fiery syrup that's made with garlic and onions and turmeric and cayenne pepper. So that's why it's called fire goddess. And then we have Oregon grape, which is a lovely holly that grows all over Metro Atlanta. And the root is used in place of golden seal. So it's a wonderful bitter. It's great for the liver and it's wonderful for the immune system. And then we have cherry bark. So in Atlanta, we have cherry trees all over. And so you can make your own cherry bark syrup, and it's super easy. And cherry bark is so wonderful for coughs and colds and anything to do with the mucous membrane and the lungs. And then we have one of my favorite pine syrup, which is so phenomenal. It has just helped us so much during this season. And it's made with pine bark and twigs and pine needles. And it's in this beautiful raw honey. And pine needles are just super high in vitamin C and antioxidants, and it is antiviral, antifungal. It helps to break up mucus and congestion. And then, of course, you gotta have some tea. And so this is called Inner Healer. And it's a blend of holy basil, lemon balm, and marshmallow. Marshmallow, which is super, super good for the mucous membranes and helping to reduce inflammation and just helping to cool you out, helps with anxiety. So I have been making my own medicine for my family. I encourage you to do the same. I will be teaching a class next year. I'll be co-teaching with one of my teachers. And you can learn how to do all of this for your family so you won't be dependent on anyone to keep yourself and your family healthy and well. This is Quinnie with QuinniesKitchen.com.